Morning. Hi, this is Travis from National Weather Service, and this is your weather hazard briefing for Friday, August 13th. Looking for a quiet weather continue today under that high pressure. It's going to be quite warm, though. Very little wind. We do have critical RHs, low RHs, but again, we're not having hardly any wind today, just relatively light. We are looking for the return of smoke. I'll show you that here in a minute. Our northern areas have it. The salmon, as far as our fire area, they have some reduced visibilities now and poor air quality, and that will continue to move south in that northwest flow over us later today, particularly into tomorrow morning. And then there's looking like we'll get some of the California smoke out ahead of a trough that's going to move through on Monday. So Sunday into Monday, we could continually get worse smoke. And we'll have a little bit less confidence as far as the smoke moving to the area. There's also a little bit less confidence as we move into isolated thunderstorms. Have a potential across Bear Lake today. A better chance tomorrow, and then maybe a little bit of chance over in the Central Mountains on Saturday and even into Sunday. But the better chance still looks Monday we have a trough or a cold front kind of moving through Monday into Tuesday. Here's the satellite imagery. We do have high pressure over us and kind of in that northwest flow. Like I said, there was quite a few fires in Washington and southern Canada. There's smoke's kind of moving in that flow, gradually moving southward. But overall, just remain in high pressure for the next couple days. Actually, it will be through until Monday. So no real impacts here too much, just very minor on the heat. It is a little uncomfortable each afternoon, particularly for Magic Valley and our southern areas up against the Utah line, and also in the Snake Plain, particularly the southern Snake Plain impacting Pocatello. But otherwise, not too bad. Again, just the thunderstorm chances each day. Primarily, again, as I said, it's just going to be the Bear Lake area, and particularly the Central Mountains for Saturday and Sunday. And then Monday has a better chance, but again, mainly it's going to be the mountains. It'll be uncertain where they move into actually the Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley. Will be a little bit windy, though. Would be close to red flag type winds. It does look like the RHs will be above critical, though, it looks like at this point. So probably not any red flag potential there. And then our thunderstorm coverage has backed off a little bit. It was looking like it was scattered coverage in the afternoon, particularly across the eastern highlands on yesterday. But today it looks more isolated. Although the setup looks like it could potentially still be for scatter. The models aren't quite showing it yet. And then as that cold front moves through completely, we still look for some breezy conditions across the area on Tuesday. But we will be getting cooler. Monday will still be a little bit above normal, but not as hot as those other days. And then Tuesday we're getting near normal, and then Wednesday we're several degrees below normal. So it'll be quite a cool day. Here's our temperatures for today. Again, mid-90s for the southern Snake Plain and eastern Magic Valley and our southern highlands areas. And then RH, as you can see, are well below 15. It will still remain quite dry Saturday and Sunday as well, though Sunday it starts to moisten up just a little bit ahead of that trough or cold front moving through on Monday. Here's our high temps for Saturday and Sunday. You can see pretty much the same, although it backs off a little bit on Sunday. We'll pick up a little bit of breeze. Like I said, have a little bit of moisture and some clouds moving in, so that will reduce the temperature just a little bit. And you can see Monday we drop a good 3 to 5 degrees across the air, but still low 90s for some areas. And then you can see that we're back to near normal by Tuesday. So the air quality, this is the current air quality. You can go to airnow.gov for that air quality, and you can see that it's quite 150 to 200. That's quite bad actually in our northern portions in Washington. And then, like I said, in that northwest flow, we will start to see that decrease, and you see that in this model forecast here. It is actually showing those oranges to near reds this is actually by tomorrow at noon, and then some of this deeper red does actually move over us as well as you just continue onward into Sunday, so it gets a little bit worse with bringing some of that in. But the upper level flow does kind of change, so that will help us. So the Sunday, it's not a perfect forecast at this point, so because it will change more from a different direction, not the northerly flow will start to change. So some of this darker red and purple will not likely reach over us. But again, there's a little uncertainty in the forecast there. Just as a recap, we're looking at nice weather over us with high pressure for through the weekend, and just a chance of thunderstorms starting by tomorrow, particularly over the Bear Lake area and perhaps in the Central Mountains, and then lesser confidence on the smoke, although the models are showing it probably by tomorrow at noon, moving over most of our area, and it's moving into our northern areas now. And then maybe even worse, getting California smokes Sunday into Monday, out ahead of the next big system that's going to move through, bringing us wind and cooler temperatures and a chance of precip on Monday. So that concludes the brief. If you have any questions, give us a call here at this number. Thanks.